What's up, guys? Jack here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on two figures that I got. One's a custom and one is not. I'll save the best for last. Let me move my custom out of the way. So, up here we have Cactus Jack. Really nice figure. It came with the do not enter sign. It has a little mark there that you can easily make with pink marker. That's probably what they did. And yeah, if you look real closely, it says Cactus Jack. I don't know what that says, but it says Wanted Dead Cactus Jack. So yeah, really nice. And I want to get to my custom, but I forget where the tire this is from. But as you can see, it has a nice cheetah print, cactus on there. Now we'll get to this custom Shane McMahon with a Mr. McMahon head and Paul Heyman body. So what I did was I took these arms off, and I removed that to reveal an elite torso thing. So then I took those off, I took that off, and then I put these on. There's a Mr. McMahon head for the Shane McMahon head. So Shane McMahon, I love Shane McMahon, even though he lost at WrestleMania 33. So still really good. Just because he lost to AJ Styles just means, he lost. Everyone has. Well, maybe a few people haven't lost. I don't know. I don't think so, though. So here we have him. Let's get a close-up with the head. Oh. Red eyes? I didn't notice that. Oh, yeah, he's got some red eyes. So here's my Shane McMahon. Pig boot! I couldn't wait for the Elite 50 Shane McMahon, so I just had to do this, or the Battle Pack. I'm going to go out shopping. I'm going to get Five Nights at Freddy's Springtrap plushie. I'm going to get Evolution Battle Pack, because I need that head scan from, what's his name? I forget his name. From Randy Orton for an Austin Aries custom that I'm going to do. I can't wait for that. And another one that I'm going to pick up, I forget what it's called. Oh yeah, Apollo Crews. And then I'm going to come back for the day. And yeah, I'm just so happy how this turned out. Shout out to Element Games. He just uploaded the video. So yeah, it's like an Elite Basic. Because look, you can't bend them to the side but the chest. Works just fine, so. Shout out to Element Games, as I already said. He just uploaded the video. And yeah, that's all I wanted to do was a quick review. So hopefully you guys did enjoy it. See if we can hit 10 likes on this video. 9 for this guy, 1 for him, just kidding. 5 for him, actually 6 and 4. Oh, and comment down below if you like this. If you like my custom. I think it turned out pretty good. Peace out, guys. See you next time. Punch it. Punch! 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 Punch!